I'm guaranteeing that it rains today. We're getting the van washed. This is a poorly maintained Ryko Softgloss XS. I got the $12 top wash to show you all of its marvelousness.
Please enter your 5-digit code. Deposit money. 11596 You have entered a wrong code. Please re-enter.
Wait. I see what I did.
Thank you for using 15691.
Okay, that should take it. All right, it took it.
Please press the pound key. Thank you. Please drive into the wash slowly.
Look, it's funny. If it has a bug deflector, so that means that it must do something different for a bug deflector. High impact. Alright, put on the parking brake. Oh wow, that is so much impact. Make sure everything's shut off. I'll shut up now. Alrighty, spot free. We'll get it in drive, get it ready. That's a really nice spot-free rinse. Oh wow, it just turned on. Man, that is bad. That's all it's giving me? This thing's terrible. Alright, well, it's telling me to leave now. So I guess I'll leave. Cancels out. No, it doesn't. Alright, well, let's see how this thing did. It's not focused on filming, I'm focused on driving. Ooh, nice Mustang. It did an okay job. It's kind of poorly maintained, so I don't know. Makes me think that they don't put any care into it, considering that the credit card reader was down. The credit card reader was down, so I had to go inside and get a code. The cache doesn't work. I mean, it just seems poorly maintained. Speedway, you can really do a better job. And it might start with putting in a new system. Because that Ryko is too... It does not do a good job. I hate to say it. Thank you for watching. That'll be all. Stay tuned for more content, whether it be car washes, cars, or just anything. If you do not already know, I did buy a Mustang, so maybe I'll do something with that. Car wash completely missed that. But away we go. Goodbye.